I like mechanical engineering because it is a natural extension of whatever you have studied so far: physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Okay, that's why I just put physics plus plus, which consists of some of the topics in that we study in mechanical engineering also: mechanics, thermodynamics, theory of machines, design, robotics, automobile, and so on and so forth. These are some of the topics or subjects or courses we study in mechanical engineering, which I can say as extension of physics. Similarly, chemistry, we can say that we have few subjects: material science, manufacturing science, a few more, which deal with all those, the positioning of atoms and the strength of the material or distance between molecules and so on and so forth. Okay, property of materials basically. Then, in case of maths, so we do a lot of computer-aided design. That is also one of my expertise. So that requires a lot of mathematics. The finite element and method analysis is another subject. Then we also have something known as operation research, supply chain management, and again robotics also has a lot of mathematics. Yeah, obviously these subjects also will have mathematics, but yeah, I just made them as extension of physics. Okay. Now, mechanical engineering is further classified into four main pillars, you can say. One is design, stream, then we have thermal, then we have manufacturing, and then industrial engineering. Okay? So these are broad classification of a mechanical engineering course. Now, let's very briefly look at what has been the past of mechanical. So summary is this. This is an ambassador car. I had seen, probably you wouldn't have seen. If you go to Kolkata, you will definitely see. Okay, but your parents would have definitely seen. So that means what? We had very few choices in the past. Okay. And similarly, in mechanical domain also, a lot of manual calculations had to be done. Okay, and it was taking more time to bring any product to the market. Okay. In the current scenario, what has happened is we are using computers for everything, for analysis, for design, for prototyping, and then we use robots for manufacturing. Okay, so this is more productive, lesser time to manufacture, and hence we can go for flexible customization. Okay. So what you see here are a set of Maruti Suzuki Ignis. Okay, so depending on what owner wants, so they can slightly modify and give it as a personalized style. This is some example I'm putting so that you understand what I'm talking about. Okay. Similarly, what is there for future in mechanical? So we'll be dealing with a lot of virtual and augmented reality. So basically, you can put that VR glasses and look at CAD models instead of on a computer screen. That is very much possible. Then there is something known as Industry 4.0, where a lot of components are connected over internet. So that is also known as Internet of Things. Okay. Then we'll have robots which will be smart. So that is something I'll explain in the coming slides. This will allow us to do a lot of custom manufacturing. Okay. So you would all know this person. This is Bumblebee from Transformer. So who knows? We might have a future where it will be such kind of interesting future. Okay. So this is about mechanical engineering. And why should you become a mechanical engineer? So this is one of the earlier forms of engineering, so it's known as evergreen. Most of the concepts, whatever I explained, can be felt or observed, like motion is happening. So it's interesting also. If you have a passion to create a product, then this is one of the branches that is going to be very suitable for you. And as mechanical engineers, we are better equipped to take decisions. For example, how to plan projects. Okay. Then how to become team players. So for example, any project or any experiment that we do in lab, so we'll need a team of people to do it. So we'll have better team playing dynamics. Okay. Definitely we need industries in the future. So as long as there are industries, there will be requirement of mechanical engineers. There's one small downside compared to other software jobs. The salary is little less in the beginning. Okay, so if that is looking as a disadvantage, then you should know how to overcome it if you're passionate. Okay. So we also have to spice it up by making our course as interdisciplinary. We can learn new programming languages or new tools which will give you edge over the others. And one of them being mechatronics and robotics.